The Pixel series of phones changed the game with smartphone photography. But 5 generations later, Google's smartphones are yet to make a dent against champions like Samsung and Apple. The Pixel 6 series is Google's make-or-break moment, and the company is taking a radical approach with an all-new chipset and a design that is bound to turn heads. While the phones aren't making their way to India, the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro are Google's most important phones, thus far, and simply put, too important to not be talked about. Will Google's first true blue flagship set the smartphone world on fire? Here's everything you need to know about the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 6 series upends Google's traditionally simple design with a look that's unlike anything else. Of course, true to form, it's got the optics to match. But more importantly, the two phones are undercutting other flagships when it comes to price. The Pixel 6 price starts at $599, which roughly translates to 45,000 rupees. Meanwhile, the Pixel 6 Pro will retail at a starting price tag of $899, which is about 67,500 rupees. From a design point of view, the new Pixels are carrying their camera legacy on their sleeve with a camera bar that is nothing short of loud and proud. It runs across the back of the phone and houses 2 lenses on the Pixel 6, while the Pro model gets an additional telephoto lens. The displays too are now larger at 6.4 and 6.7 inches for the Pixel 6 and Pro respectively. While both are AMOLED panels, the Pro gets an upgrade to 120Hz over the 90Hz refresh rate supported by the Pixel 6. Google's G logo placed at the back is reminiscent of the earlier models and an aluminum mid-frame holding the phone together. The build quality belies the price, and the phones are suitably premium. The big headline feature of these phones is their new processor. Google's custom-designed ARM system on chip called Tensor is 5 years in the making. Google claims that it can take on the Snapdragon 888, the current choice in chipset for Android flagships. However, Google's emphasis is less on raw power and more on the other capabilities of the Tensor chipset, namely AI and ML algorithms that will enable new experiences like a magic eraser tool that can remove objects and photobombers from your pictures. More on that in a second. The Pixel 6 pairs the new chip with 8GB of RAM, while the 6 Pro gets an additional 4 for a total of 12GB. Coming to the optics, the Pixel 6 has a dual camera setup that houses a 50MP primary sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide shooter. There is an 8MP front camera for selfies. The Pro model takes this up a notch with a triple rear camera setup, adding a 48MP telephoto lens to the same primary and ultra-wide cameras as the regular model. The telephoto lens offers 4x optical zoom. An upgraded ultra-wide angle 11.1 selfie camera sits at the front, letting you capture large groups of people. Interestingly, both phones come with a new feature called the Magic Eraser. This helps remove unwanted people and other objects from a processed photo in a single tap. Then there are preloaded features like motion mode that brings preset action pan and long exposure option. Critically, Google is talking about Realtone that is claimed to use software algorithms to offer more accurate colors when dealing with the people of color and darker skin tones. The phone also includes Face Unblur, which guarantees a sharp and in-focus face, as well as manual white balance adjustment, amongst other Google's exclusive camera-focused features. The phones are rated for all-day use, with the Pro model packing a large 5003 mAh battery. The Pixel 6, on the other hand, ships with a 4614 mAh battery. Both phones support 30-watt wired fast charging and wireless charging up to 21 watts on the regular Pixel and 23 on the Pro. The new Pixels ship with Android 12, and Google says these phones will get a minimum of 5 years of security patches, longer than any other Pixel before. The Android upgrade promise, however, stays at 3 years. While it remains doubtful that Google will reconsider its decision to bring the Pixel 6 series to India, the stunning colors, sweeping enhancements, and attractive price make it clear that this one's a big miss for Android fans in the country.